So it's been a while, am I right? I haven't posted for a while. So I'm excited because my channel is going through a whole new phase, and I'm super excited. And so basically, now my channel is gonna be a lot different from before. You guys were used to my gaming channel, and if you are literally jumping on your screen right now saying, Gabby Rosa, do some more gaming videos. Well, guess what? It's over. So basically, yeah, I don't mean to offend any of you, but like, I'm changing the thing. So I actually made a list here on my other computer, which is the themes that are gonna be for the future of my channel. So the first one is that I might do a Rubik's series because here, let me show you what I got right here. One just fell. I literally have a plate in my room full of Rubik's Cubes. So, yeah. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with Rubik's Cubes. I'm not that obsessed anymore. I used to be a lot more obsessed. But I still love them, and I've got like a whole plate of them here. Okay, so the next category actually fits in with the Rubik's Cubes because I'm going to do tutorials. So my tutorials, the main ideas for the tutorials might be how to make a channel, so like how to set up intros, how to do editing softwares, how to start your channel art, that kind of basic stuff for your channel. Another theme for my tutorial videos might be how to solve a Rubik's Cube, my method, the things that I'm learning right now with Rubik's Cubes. And with Rubik's Cubes to add on, I might just do like some videos of me just solving them. And now I'm learning the advanced method, so I'll show my progress with it. Okay, so the next one is gonna be a lot less common, but I might do every once in a while some theories because I'm starting to look at other theory channels like film theory, the film theorists, and sometimes I have other theories to add on to their theories, or I just think that some other YouTube channel that did theory was wrong, and so I might try to prove them wrong. Also, I already did this in the past. I tried to do this, but it didn't really work out. It was reacting to random YouTube videos on YouTube, but I think that it could work out again now because there's specific videos that I have that I think I can react to, and that'll be funny to watch. I also think that if there's more of a mixture of different themes for my YouTube channel, not just reacting to things, it'll be a little more fun when I do react. It's like when your mom says you can't have ice cream until dinner, it suddenly makes ice cream taste better because you have to wait. Comment down below if that was a good comparison, guys. And the last thing that I probably will do is reviews, just general reviews of things that I see. Something that I might read in a book that I might be like, that I might think that it's wrong, or like something that I see in a movie that doesn't make sense at all. I'll just review things in general. So that's where my channel might be going in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the next one's coming at you. Anyway, thank you for watching, and bye!